In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a voucher on Uber. Whether you've received a gift or a promotional offer, using a voucher can make your Uber experience even more rewarding. Let's dive into the details so you can make the most out of your ride while saving some money. First, you'll want to start by opening the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you've logged into your account, and if you haven't created one yet, go ahead and do that now because you'll need it to proceed. Once you're in the app, navigate to the menu icon. This is usually located in the top left corner of your screen. Tapping on it will open a list of options. You want to find the section labeled Payment or Wallet, depending on your version of the app. This section is where you manage your payment methods and any credits associated with your account. Now, once you're in the Payment or Wallet section, look for the option that lets you add a voucher or promotional code. This option is crucial as it's specifically designed to help you redeem vouchers and any special codes you might have. Tap on Add Promo or Gift Code. Here, you'll be prompted to enter your code into a designated box. Make sure you have your code handy, whether that's from a gift voucher you received or a promotional email or flyer. Type in the code carefully. It's important to enter it without any mistakes, since even a single misstep with letters or numbers might cause the code to be invalid. After entering your voucher code, go ahead and press Add or Apply. If you've entered everything correctly and the voucher is still valid, you should immediately see a confirmation message indicating that the voucher has been successfully applied to your account. This means the credit or discount associated with the voucher is now ready for you to use on your next ride. So, what happens next? It's time to enjoy your ride. Simply request a ride as you normally would. Once you reach your destination, the voucher or discount should automatically apply to the final trip cost, reducing your fare by the voucher amount. Remember, if your voucher doesn't cover the full cost, you'll be charged the remainder in the usual way, using your preferred payment method on file. Finally, a quick tip: always double-check the expiration date and terms associated with your vouchers. Some are limited time offers, while others may have restrictions like being applicable only in certain cities or on certain types of rides. And there you have it, a simple, seamless way to use a voucher on Uber. Keep this in mind next time you're looking to make the most of your Uber experience, and remember, saving a bit on your rides can make your day just a bit brighter. Thanks for watching, and feel free to subscribe for more useful tips.